A traffic jam here. Well, I guess some of them didn't have the poop bags on there. They missed it. So, yeah. We got all the horses here for the horse-drawn carriages here. There's all the horses checking themselves out. Some of them, they got a whole bunch of them here. And, yeah, they're all lined up here. They're in the shade, so it's not a good photo here because the sun's on the wrong angle here. Whoops. That guy's excited there, I think. Okay. Look at that here. There we go, all the horse-drawn carriages here. Now we're in the sun a little bit, so it's going to be sun in my eyes here. So, yeah, okay. Here we go. We're going up to the tower, and we're going to turn right up there. Okay, it's early morning here, so walking along here in Marrakesh. All right. Okay, we're at Cyber Park here in Marrakesh. Short walk from our hotel. Beautiful morning. I think it's December 27th, 2023. I'm going to walk around in the park and see what it's like. Okay. The map is gone, so you just got me in the picture. It's not Shadow Man, it's Image Man. Here we go. All right, there we go. Okay. Beautiful gardens here. Cyber Gardens, they got it well maintained and trimmed. There's no wind here this morning. Got the oranges that you don't eat and everything here. Oranges are falling on the ground. We got the rose bushes here. No, it's not a rose bush. It's
hibiscus.
Hibiscus, okay.
Yeah,
here we have Citrus Aurantium bigaradier. Fruit not suitable for eating, I think it says there. So good sized oranges, but these are the bitter ones that they make, what do they say, cosmetics or something out of. I don't know what they're. Okay, going around here, got traffic going out there for trash here. It is nice here. Look at this. And it's free. Yeah. Zone 1. Okay, we're going down Zone 1 here today. We're looking, look at these gardens. Hey, this is very nice here. Nice greenery. Like I said, it's the end of December. Cold in the mornings, but nice here in the afternoons here. Take a look. Shadow Man is in there. Okay, Shadow Man. All right, here. Coming up here in the sun. Shadow Man is walking there in front of us here. That's right. We got another tree. Something fruit tree here. I don't know what it's going to be fruiting there, but who knows here. Masuraba. Well, we got a little cactus there. Some more little tiny palms that will grow up to be big palms one of these days. All planted here, little tiny baby woods, baby palms. Everything what's small grows up to be big and tall there. So there you go. All right. Yeah, we got all the kids on holidays. They're walking away from us, so their faces are not in the picture then. So we got more, looks like a banana plant here. Yeah. I think so. Then we got placards up ahead, so we're going to go up and read them. And some of these signs are working here, so let's see what they say. There's this sign, it's mostly in French and Arabic. And we got about the fruits over here. And we're going to come back that way, but now we're heading down on the trail here. And we got more placards here. There's some on the left here too. I hear little birdies tweeting here. And yeah, they're all in French, but families, something about 2,600, 150 varieties. They name a few of them. And 15 to 25 meters, something or other there. Doing the best I can with the French there. La Racines. And on here, how about on the other side? Maybe they put English over here. No, about the fruits here, the date palms. Yeah, there's a hose there, and there's the palm trees going up way up high there. And you got runners coming through here. We're gonna walk on down here and see. And there's more stuff over here. And over here, the cyber thing is up that way. We'll let this guy, and we got, this tells you more about, got these two big palms right here in the center. We gotta watch the hose here. Or it could be a snake, but I think it's a hose. Okay. And we can go right in between the palms. That's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go right in between. And look at these guys here. There's these palms. There they go, right up there. Yeah, these are two big tall guys here. Walking in between them. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Okay, we're coming out now. I thought it might be one tree. Yeah, one died or grew over this way and sort of just stopped there and kind of died, and they kind of left it there, but you can walk under it here. Ooh, there's the shadow of it there. Shadow Man's walking right into it there. There we go.
But do you see the real?
Yeah, there's the sun there. Yeah, it's not growing funny. One just fell and kind of semi-attached itself to the other one, I guess. Pretty neat though, pretty neat. Okay, we got another one that's leaning up against that one. It's just leaning, and they had to cut that one off because it was getting in the way. So, and they're watering the grass up here. Okay, we're moving on here. Finally some color here. We got some flowers here. I don't want to walk on this top thing because I think I'm going to fall, but I'll walk down here and in the shade. Well, it's still nice. Kind of walked around the whole park. Going to get back out to the exit here now and find my way out here if I can. And yeah, kind of nice here. I'm going to swing around here as I go around. All right. Well, I'm just about finished here in Cyber Park, getting ready to head back out, head back to the hotel. It was a good trip. So Cyber Park in Marrakesh is free. You don't have to pay anything. And you come and you can walk all through here. It's beautiful, lots of greenery. You got a few red flowers here also, right in back of me here. So going to head out to the exit, to the busy streets, and take my life in my hands, trying to cross the streets. So, and one-man travel. Subscribers needed. Be most appreciated if you would subscribe. Thanks a lot to my already subscribers. I really appreciate your loyalty. Thank you very much. Ed Getley, Marrakesh here. Here we go. All right. Okay, we're coming up to the main entrance and exit. There are a lot of other exits around here, entrances. They're just gates, so you don't have to use this one. Look on the map, and as long as you can find the park, as long as you're alongside it somewhere, it'll probably be an entrance or somewhere. But it's free. Don't have to pay anything. It doesn't cost anything. Walk around here, do whatever you want. Okay, heading back to Riyadh here. Right at the main entrance, they got the Museum of Telephones or Telecommunication. You got your old ticker taper jobby there, and you got some other recordings here, all the wiring and cables that they used from the old days. You got a pretty nice setup in here. Here's all your cell phones here. Here you go, here you go. Look at this, cell phones from days of old. Look at that. And there were a lot older ones than this, or maybe these are the only ones that were in Morocco. And you got the old phone. I remember those when they first came out. Very expensive in your cars. The old phones with the cranks here. And more old phones here. Ding-a-ling-a-ling, ding-a-ling-a-ling. Looks like an old fax machine. That thing was slow there for sure. And we got this here. I'm going to try it out and see what we got here. Let's see. Hello? Hello? Can you hear me? Yes. Large pizza? Yes, I'd like to order a large pizza. Thank you, I'll pick it up. All right, bye-bye. There we go. Here we go. I hope that my pizza comes here or something. And we got this one, the old switchboard here, crank it and make the thing ring and everything there. And this jobby, I don't know what this is. Never saw one of these. Different one there. And old phones here. Yeah. Here we go. The old phones here. All right, we're at the entrance, main entrance, I think, to Cyber Park. Maybe that's why it's called Cyber Park, because you have all these cyber things like telecommunication. The main building that was in the center was closed off, so there may be stuff in there because they're talking about satellites and everything here. So so it may be something here. I don't know here, but yeah, there's Morocco Telecom if you want to go up there. And this is Museum de Telecom. It's very interesting. You can just walk in and see. It's free. Very good. Well, there's that one section I walked across, but I guess in the summertime I walked across here. I don't think I have a video of it, but there were no fountains because this is winter time. It can get cold at night here and a little more flowerful, but all the greenery here, but no fountains. That would be nice with the blue water, the blue tiles to walk through there. It'd be nice and cool in the summertime, but fountains weren't on today here, so there it is. Okay.
Hadi gelin kayıp. Gelin kayıp.